Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorials. Today we got a Patreon request from Slouchy Doggy, Naruto Bijuu mode, version 2. So it's the one with the big cloak, the big collar. There's two versions of Bijuu mode. The first one where he gets access to it first and doesn't have that big cloak. And then the second one. So this is the second one. So I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and an eraser. You can always use black ink afterwards and hit pause. When I move my hand or if I go too fast, hit that pause button, slow down the video. Seeing some people in comments saying you go too fast. Just hit pause, catch up, and then hit play. Or you can even slow it down in settings. You can go half speed. You can mute me if you hate my voice. Use these videos whatever way you want. Center point of my page, about here. So I'd say that will be where maybe nose, probably, or like the middle of his eyes or something. We're just going to go up a little bit and over to the right hand side. We're going to start with his eye. So classic Naruto style curved line up for eye, like that. Comes down the back. This sort of hook, and then bottom eyelid comes around to there. And in general, you want the top eyelid to be a little bit thicker than the bottom eyelid, just a little bit. Then his iris, just like a circle with the top cut off, like so. And he's got that sort of line for an eye. Not like a circle, for his iris, sorry. It's like a cat-like sort of eye. Something like that. Right, so Naruto, the eyes are in proportion, luckily enough, so the width of his eye will fit in between his two eyes, and then that's where the next eye is going to start. So this will go up and over again. So you can fit this eye in between. See here, the width will go in between, fits inside. And that's where the next eye starts, just here. And that hook sort of style eye again. So that's what we're going for. And then the bottom eyelid line will come across. And his iris, circle with the top cut off. Like so, and the cat-like eye in the middle. Like so. Okay, so eyebrows. So the eyebrows go up underneath his headband, so you can't really see all of it, but we'll do whatever we can. So it goes diagonal, frowning heavily up, and it stops about there somewhere because it goes underneath his headband. And then, so the other side, yeah, it's kind of like a square sort of box-like eyebrow just there. And then the other one, similar. Just like so. And then he's got these frown lines like that. he's quite angry in this image. And there. Frown lines just along his nose. You know, wrinkles and stuff, just because he's clenching his face really aggressively. Right, so then nostrils just down here. And then his mouth, so he's gritting his teeth, real angry again. Flat at first, but then we'll open it up down the sides, so like down here. Kind of different on this side to this side. Comes down, across around like that, and then we just add some like teeth. So then his chin. So kind of squarish. So chin just down there. You can check your proportion now of things. So eyes to nose is the same as nose to chin. Here to here, about the same as here to here. Say top eyelid. So top eyelid, say, to nose, about the same as nose to chin. And then bottom lip, halfway between the nose and the chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. Right. So once you get that, then you can attempt his jaw. So we go up the side. So eye level, so like the edge of his eye here, just across from his mouth, that's where you want to stop, because that's where the jaw sort of changes angle. Right, so we're going out like so. Can be a curvy line if you want, or it can be straight. Right, we're going out like so. Stopping just right underneath the edge of his eye. And then you'll turn the corner and go up for the side of his head. So up like that, see? And then turn the corner. Up for the side of his head. And he's got two sideburns. There. And he's got those black, his whiskers have turned into these black rectangles, so 3 of them, so these are the ends of them. Just there, and they come across. Kind of like war paint or something. Like so. Like that, and they're colored, they're grey in the picture, but they can be black, so I'll leave them like this. You can color them whatever way you want, really. So his headband then, so that's going to come right across the front of his eyebrow. So alright, I like this. Right across the top of his head, and then goes up the side and kind of bumping on this side, and then it'll come across like so. And because he's like on fire, kind of, they don't join up there, because it's all, his body's like made of energy right now, so you can't really, it doesn't join for probably light reasons. So the metal part of his headband just here, and then bring it across underneath like so, and then across up here, and again they don't join, there might be like a double line there, and we got like the spiral leaf symbol spiral with a tail and a beak. Just there. Of course, that's usually a double line. I can't do it with a Sharpie, it'll just bleed together. But if you're doing it with a pencil, you could do that as a double line. And then bolts for his headband, like so. And then his hair. So, oh, his ears, forgot his ears. So ear coming down around here. Like so, and then more detail inside. Easiest way is always letter J. And you can come down like so, up to there, letter J, or more detail if you want. Right, so now we can do his hair. So it comes out, spiking out this way. Up to there, into here, big one there. So it comes down into there. Like so, and another one here. And then these spikes just go up off the top of my page. A few more room. You can spike them, but they just cut off in the top of my picture. And then down this side, another kind of big one here. Small one down on the side. Small one here, like so. And then some hair behind his ear and his neck. So his neck, we draw that in, so just here and there. Just underneath like the corner, the edge of his eye. And then the hair goes in behind. Like so. And right, so then we got like I think his headband is like on fire, going like off behind him that way, and something similar on this side, and there's some energy lines as well. So there's like a blob of energy in the way here. That, and then there's like energy, but then the rest of that headband will go up off my page that way. So they just go to like big headband points. If you look at I have another Bijuu, Naruto Bijuu, you can see how they finish. They're just like spiky and wavy, if you have room for them. So then his collar, right? So he's got like that sort of classic Naruto Shippuden collar. So it's got like a zipper coming down the middle. It's got like a little bump here for a fold, like that, and then a couple of bumps coming out the side here. This is the top of it, and then it goes around behind his neck, and then same on both sides. So this is all colored in black. Usually like you'd see like lines sort of coming down here, but it's all colored in, so you can't really see them. So in his trapezius, out to his shoulder, kind of that way. A little bit less of it on this side because more of his cloak covers. Speaking of cloak, so down this way, and then this one goes up. Like this. And it's kind of on fire, so it like goes around. Think fire. down. This kind of thing. Down to there. And I think we got to separate a black sort of section here. Yep, and shoulder. So more cloak first before I do the shoulder. So that, and then up into there, and then his shoulder just down from that here, so it goes out. Got a couple of bumps from that, and up, and then down around, like to there. And then this has like a black circle on it, and then another circle line here. That, and then more energy. Like so. Right, so the cloak on this side, down like so. And then it's going to come out this way. Again, so everything's on fire. So like going out around here. This kind of stuff. And then this is going to go back around behind his ear. Then his other shoulder will come down this side. And this has like a couple of black circles, lines on it like the other side. Then more sort of energy and fire and stuff. Coming up around here. Down around there. And it's got like blobs. So you can kind of do as much of this energy as you want, you know, floating around him. But I think I'll leave it there. That's how to draw Naruto Bijuu mode version 2, or Cloak version. Yeah, hope it was helpful, guys. Hope it was helpful, Slouchy. Thanks for the request. If you want Patreon requests, head on over to Patreon. You can message me. Check it out if you can. Bye, guys.